This is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 using only Windhawk. I'll show you step by step how to customize the taskbar and how to customize the start menu as well. I'll show you step by step how to install start menu, how to install taskbar, and how to customize your Windows 11 Explorer as well. So let's dive into the video. In this video, I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 taskbar, start menu and Explorer as well using only Windhawk. I'll show you step by step. First, you have to download and install Windhawk. I'm not going to show you how to install Windhawk because it is pretty easy to install the Windhawk. Just download and install it. After installation, you'll see an interface like this. And now we have to install some mods to customize our Windows 11. I'm going to show you what kind of mods we're going to use. First, we are going to use this mods called Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Open your Windhawk and click on Explore. Then you have to search for it, click on Details and install it. Now we have to install some script. Here you can see Start Menu script. Just copy this complete script and then click on Advanced and paste it here. And then click on save. Okay, if you see any kind of error, just go to this settings tab and turn on this disable the new start menu layout and then click on save settings. So it will fix your start menu. Now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler and then go to Explorer again and search for it and install it. Now again we have to install taskbar script as well and copy this script, click on advance and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods taskbar height and icon size. Then click on details and install it. And copy this script, then go to advance and paste it here and then click on save. Now I have to install another mods called taskbar music lung and click on Explorer and search for it, click on details and install it. Okay, now we have to customize taskbar music lung. Click on settings and panel width, make it around 280 and panel height 55 and make it around 30 and then click on save. Then we have to install Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Click on Explore and search for it, then install it. And then click on settings and in theme section you have to select minimal Explorer 11 and then click on save. And now I have to install these mods called hide home, gallery and OneDrive. Click on Explorer and search for it, click on details and install it. Now if you want to install a custom icon pack, you can also do that. I'll show you how to. Just install this resources redirect, click on Explorer and search for it, click on details and install it. And now we have to go to this theme folder and unzip this icon pack file and right click on it, copy as path and then click on settings and paste it here and remove this quotation mark and then click on save and close it. Okay, you can see some icon has been not changed yet. To fix this, just right click on your taskbar open Task Manager and search for Windows Explorer. And right click on Windows Explorer and then click on Restart. Okay, now if you want to add some blur effect on your Explorer, you can try this tool called Blurmica. Go to C drive and here you can see this release folder and right click on this register and then click on run as administrator. And one more thing, this customization is not going to affect your system performance. And this is it. This is how you can transform your Windows 11 start menu, taskbar and explorer as well. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.